Why don't you take it away? Oh, we gotta turn it on. Hold on, hold on. There. So we took a Razor Pocket Mod scooter that we got for $2, and we cut it in half, welded it to the back of an old go-kart frame that we had just in a junk pile. Took 2 wheelbarrow wheels and just slid them on because this go-kart already had 3/4 inch shafts. And really the main work was connecting the scooter to the back of the go-kart, putting the seat on, and putting this steering column in line. So there is a pin right here that you can pull, and this whole steering column comes out if you want to put an actual wheel on it. I kept hand controls because we have this little guy over here. You want to get in it, show him how it works? It's his first driven vehicle, so I wanted all hand controls for him because his feet don't go far enough to even get to the pedals. But this thing's pretty awesome. It's got very low rolling resistance. And it turns pretty tight too.
Ready.
Looks like Mario Kart. Practice the turn, see the turning radius of this thing. Okay, park it, buddy, park it. Can you park it in the garage?
Okay. Ozzy!
Nice work. How do you do?
Great.
So we just ran this thing for about 5 minutes and the battery is still full. So this is just a 24 volt, 10.4 amp hour battery. Yeah, it works really well. So I'm just gonna have to clean it up and maybe put some more safety features on it and grind some stuff down and paint it. But not a bad spring break project. This is your first go-kart. What do you think of it?
Remarkable.